Everyone, this video I'm going to show you how to fix this broken handle. It just came off. I don't know how it came off. It's just weird. It's screwed in from here to here, but for some reason it came off. I guess whoever installed this didn't do a good job installing it. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. What you need is an Allen wrench. I don't know exactly the size on this particular one, but it depends on what kind of handle you have. There's an Allen wrench here, and there's a here too. There's one here. There's both of them. So let me show you. Right here, you need an Allen wrench to loosen up that screw, and right here too. Right. Loosen it up. Here's the hole, by the way. It's supposed to go like this. So loosen it up. Now it's loose. And you should have this screw here. Something's loose over here. Yeah, there's a screw. Oh look, there's a screw loose. It's probably belongs to this one here. It came up. See? This probably belongs from this. It's the one that goes screws over here. So let's screw. And this is the one that was here. So you can see it's wide opening. And here's the copper colored part right here. This right here. So what we're gonna do is remove this one. We're gonna remove that one first. So Allen wrench again. I'm using a screwdriver that has a little Allen wrench attachment. Loosen that up and take it up. So it came out. Now put this button like that, and we put it here. I got here are the washers that came off. So I'm gonna follow the orientation. And this one is black first, so I'm gonna put the black. Then the washer that goes in between the glass, and this one goes on the other side. And put the clear washer right here. Turn this knob up and turn the handles, not the handle. Line up the holes and screw this back in there. So I still don't understand why it came out like that. Whoever installed this before did it right, it wouldn't come off like that. Virtually impossible to do it unless it was a bad install, which is, I believe it was. So it's tight now. Tighten this one too. Just gonna tighten with a screwdriver. Just a little bit, not too hard. But without the screw is gonna be on the bottom. So it's in. Lock it in place. Whoops. Bottom one too. It's like I see. Now it's locked in place. So that's it. That's how you fix a loose door handle. Alright. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.